Breaking news: SSS application for cancellation of my client's bail is strange. Lawyer to Igboho's aides cries out, working to ensure that this does not happen. My dear, we rejoiced, we all celebrated when we saw injustice being perpetrated against young men and women who were found in Igboho's house, who have been in police custody for quite a number of days now, over 34 days, finally granted bail. Although the bail conditions were beyond the roof, you cannot begin to imagine. But guess what? A few days ago, less than 72 hours, the same DSS who refused to bring them all to the first court appearing only brought 4 out of the 12. The judge adjourned the case saying no, bring all of them. Second meeting, they brought 8 out of the 12. Judge said no, adjourned it to 2 days later saying bring everybody. They later brought the 12, on which day the judge released statements regarding conditions for their bail. Some have not been able to. I don't know if any has been able to meet up with the condition of the bail. However, less than 48 hours after then, we saw that the DSS quickly went to file an injunction in court saying that the condition for their cancellation of bail should be cancelled. To this, the lawyer is responding and saying this is impossible. How dare you? Why would they be? Were they thieves? What did you see with them? You see, the real people, criminals, are not chased in this country. They are being pampered, begging the government that they are repentant. You don't understand what's going on in this country. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get to all the details. SSS application for cancellation of my client's bail is strange. Lawyer to Igboho's aides reveal. The detainee lawyer described SSS application as strange and an abuse of court proceedings. The lawyer of the 12 detained, associate of Chief Sunday Adeyemo, has faulted an application filed by the State Security Services SSS for court cancellation of the bail earlier granted them. The 12 detainees were arrested at Ibadan, Oyo State, home of Sunday Igboho, a Yoruba section agitator whose real name is Sunday Adeyemo, on July the 1st. They were granted bail by the Federal High Court in Abuja on August the 4th after spending 34 days. Still being held in custody, the detainees were in the process of perfecting the bail conditions when SSS filed a fresh application on Monday asking the court to reverse the bail. Their lawyer, Belumi, told Prime Times on Wednesday that the application filed by the secret police is strange and a constitution of abuse of the court proceedings. The application is an abuse of court proceedings and is strange to our law. You can only go to a court to vary the bail condition, not to ask court to cancel bail condition. I don't know which law they are reading or where they are coming from. Nigeria is turning something else. Laws being perpetrated by people strange every day. He added that the application is suspicious as no charge has been filed against the detainee. Before they could ever even approach the court, there must be a charge that has been filed against them in court. But the SSS has not filed any charge, but wants the court to reverse the bail of my client based on their speculation that a charge will be filed. The court of law does not act based on speculations, it said. The SSS in its application filed on Monday specifically urged the court to nullify the bail granted to 4 of the detainees. The judge had in his ruling granted bail to the 12 detainees, overruled SSS objection to the bail application of 4 of the detainees, which the lawyer is questioning right now. So this is what is happening. Why will you all of a sudden say they should not be granted bail? What exactly did they do to you? Is it now a personal thing? Is there a personal grief or fight going on that you want to deal with this set of people? What's going on? You see, it's sad, where there's no truth, where some people, you know, where some people think they are the Lord. It's sad when some people come out and tell you, we are the new law. Whatever we say is the law. That's why when you have like a leadership, they don't they don't allow people to just come and just say their perspective in everyday to day life. No, there is what we call the constitution, which governs, which guides the approaches on which people are governed, how things should be approached. Otherwise, people will come there and they will give their own objections. If I don't like women wearing trousers, I come there. Probably women have been wearing trousers in the previous administration. And due to my personal religious belief, I believe every woman that is wearing trousers is not a proper, well brought or well trained woman. What will I do? As soon as I come in, there is no constitution to say fundamental human rights. Allow people dress the way they want to dress. Go home and instruct your wife and your children to dress the way you think a lady should dress. What will I do? I will come and I will make a very ambiguous statement on national TV asking all women in my country not to wear trousers because I don't believe in it. So that's why there is what we call a constitution, which now provide the premise of a guide under which leadership that the people have come to choose consensus in a consensus through a vote to say lead us should now govern the people. So you don't just wake up one morning and bring your perspective into leadership and say, yes, I don't believe that women should work. So every woman in the workplace must stop working. It must be dominated by men. Women should go and sit at home while their husband fends for them. Excuse me? Do you get what I mean? So if you have that kind of perspective, you take it to your home, tell your wife to sit at home. If she agrees, fine. It's you guys' business. Discuss it. But you don't bring it. So this is what is happening. New laws being created and perpetrated every day. Evil going on. The constitution thrown into the bush as though it is not a democratic government. Yet, Nigeria, God will help us. Honestly, sincerely, God will have to help us. Because what we are seeing today is a clear indication that we've derailed, we've gone overboard. You see, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a good day. Remember, you have a voice. Let it count. They are there to oppose, but you must stand up and say no. Bye for now.